Hey guys, it's Reggie with the weekly outlook. Sorry it took a little bit. Kind of was scanning through the markets, and I really wanted the high probability trades for you guys. But mind you, there are a lot of pairs in there right now as we speak that are converged on the 30-minute and 15-minute. But I was looking at more so trades that I've exhausted on the 4-hour and are already made its move. So that's my idea. What I want to give you guys is pairs that have been exhausted from the 4-hour, continuing from last week. So last week, Tuesday, Wednesday, they made the initial move, and now what are we looking at for this week is the retracement and getting back in on the retracement after it's retraced. So I got 3 pairs that I'm looking at this week. Is GbpAud, GbpChf, and UsdChf. Let me just go down the breakdown with you with the 4-hour chart on GbpAud here. I really love this one. You can see here on the 4-hour chart that it's made its move last week, Tuesday. Throughout that week, it had this strong push back, push down. All right, and now what are we looking at now is we are looking at pairs to retrace back up into this area here. You can see it's starting to retrace because the pink on the 4-hour chart is on the bottom here, so expect the retracement, right? And we're going to be looking for entries based on our smaller time frame. So like the 30-minute, I boxed this in here for you guys so you guys can see it's consolidating right now. I've highlighted points where it's exhausted on the 30-minute, so up here and down here. So when they got all the lines down here converge on the bottom, so be expecting a retracement. All right, that yellow and pink line, just watch for it to be exhausted and then eventually come back down. So we got a lot of wiggle room for this pair. You can see I made a trend line from here to here, and you can see how much room we got here to play with. So that's the GbpAud. And remember again, guys, this is just a setup. This is for educational purposes only, and I'm just giving you guys an insight of what we are looking at as far as WaveTech effects goes. So GbpAud, remember again, put on your WaveTech currents, and then you might see a push up a little past more here. You can even draw a fib if you want. Sorry, fib line down to the support area, and you can see that price is still stuck in this box, but I would ideally like it to come up to at least a 38,250 or 618 level before I'm comfortable trading back down. By then, the yellow and pink lines and maybe even the blue should already have converged again on the top here to enter the sell. So go down your criteria, whether you're entering conservative, moderate, or aggressive, and trade accordingly. Alright guys, trade responsibly, trade using proper risk, 2% and a 10 pip stop loss. Utilize your back office calculator from wavetechfx.com to help you establish how much risk and how much lot sizes you guys can trade according to what your risk is. Okay, that's GbpAud. So GbpChf is another one I'm looking for to short. Again, it's showing the same kind of pattern that it did with GbpAud. They have the same kind of trend line. The pound ultimately had this huge push up, so now we're looking at it to come back down. You can see it here trading from exhaustion to exhaustion. Okay, so I'm expecting price to come back down more. The pink is on the bottom, and it is already starting to make a huge retracement, being that the market just opened. So we're going to jump down to our 30-minute chart. We're going to be looking for confirmations to enter the sell. I wouldn't enter it just yet because you can already see our BMA has already flipped green. So let's just wait for price to come to us, ladies and gentlemen. Just wait, have some patience. Put on my fib tool here, show you guys what I'm expecting. So it's almost at the 38.2 mark. I like it to come up higher in this range. So by then, the blue, pink, and yellow, not so much the blue, maybe the pink and yellow for sure, might be converging at the top at this point and start to come down. By then, you can enter your trades. Go down to the steps, enter using conservative, moderate, or aggressive trading, and enter the trade from there. So GbpChf short or sell entries. Okay, we'll be keeping you guys updated throughout this week as we see that price is at an area where we'd like to trade. UsdChf on the 4-hour. All right, here we go. Here's another short. The dollar has been making significant pushes up, and you can see I got my trend line right here. I got my support from the 4-hour levels. We've got convergence at the top here. We're selling because we're going from exhaustion down here. This was last month on the 15th. That was when we all converged on the bottom, and it pushed all the way back up, and we're now converged at the top, exhaustion. Okay, so we're going to be looking to sell. Not just yet, because as you can see, it's still making a retracement. I would like to see the pink come more down into the green here on both the 4-hour and the 30-minute. But stacking multiple confirmations, I got my trend line, I got my support, and jumping down to the 30-minute, you can see here, pink is up here already, the yellow might be coming its way up, but by the time these are all converged, they might be up at this level here. 50, 61.8, or even hitting that trend line where all the colors might be up here to converge, and then we can look to sell. Alright, going down your checklist using moderate, aggressive, or conservative trading. Alright, utilize your back tools in your office, ladies and gentlemen, to help you guys figure out your risk and trade accordingly. Okay, like I said, we got a lot of pairs this week that are all converged on the 30-minute, but I was just wanted to give you guys an overall look of how we can utilize the push that we had last week, and now we're just waiting for retracement, and then we can enter again on the wave 3. So if you guys are studying Elliott wave, we know that the Elliott wave, this would be 1, this would be 2 retracement. The third wave is initially the most impulsive wave, so that's the leg that we're going to be looking to short. Alright guys, so Great Britain AUD, Great Britain Swiss, and USD Swiss. Alright guys, thank you guys. Have a great week in trading. We shall see you guys in the charts and on the group. If not, we'll catch up with you folks tomorrow at our Q&A and our launch. I'm excited guys, excited. So thank you guys for sticking with me, and hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Aloha.